in my life. When you love me in a special way, then you started taking me for granted. Each and